Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are safe at home. Welcome to the computer class. Today we are going to start a new chapter number 6, and it is animation in Flash. Okay? Animation is a technique, okay? And Flash is a software. Flash full form is Adobe Flash. Okay? It is Adobe Flash. Adobe Flash. Okay. This Adobe Flash we use to create. Okay. This we use to create games, applications, and simple animations. What is the use of Adobe Flash? It is used to create games, applications, and animations. Okay, games we all play. And what happens in the games? Cartoon comes and with the help of these some car come. Suppose car game is there. Okay, so they drive it. Okay, and some fights are also there. So we are able to do these all tasks with the help of a software, and that is known as Adobe Flash. Okay, this Adobe Flash here is working to create games, applications, and animations. Okay, now. What is animation? Animation. Animation is a technique in which we use the photographs or we use the cartoon characters so that they works like a human being. It should look live. How it looks? It looks live. Okay, animations are of 5 types. What are these? The first one is cell animation. The second one is 2D animation. The third one is 3D animation. Fourth one is motion animation and motion look animation, and the last one is stop motion animation. Okay, these are the types of the animations. Okay, so here in the Flash we can create the animations and it is very useful. Okay, we all are using games, we all are using animations, and these all we can prepare, we can create with the help of the software Adobe Flash. This Adobe Flash is developed by Adobe Incorporation. Who developed it? It was developed by Adobe Incorporation, or you can say Adobe Systems. Okay, and how can we use or how can we create the animations here? So here there are two things there. What is this? There are two main points there. What are these? They are simple and instance. First is symbol and the second one is instance. What are symbols and what are instances? So they are the base of the Flash movie. When we create some movie, when we create a game, so they are the two main factors. Okay, these are the two main factors that do overall working in the movie. How? There are some features of these both, means features, or you can say importance of symbol and instance. Okay, features of symbol and instance. Okay, features, or here I am writing importance. Means here what is the use of these two and why we are using. Okay, so symbol and instances are very important. How they are important? The first point about it is that we can create anything on the stage, we can convert into a symbol. Means the object that we are having, we can convert it into a symbol. Okay, the second one is it is a reusable object. Reusable means once we had used, so we can convert it into any other symbol and we can use that also. Now what is the third one? The third one is when we create these symbols, so we store them in library. Okay, library of Flash. What we are creating, we are storing in a library of the Flash. And what is the fourth importance of it? The fourth importance is that about instance. These are the two things. Symbols, it is a kind of object, and what is instance? It is a copy of the symbol. Okay, when we use phone, so when we need to crop any picture, when we need to apply any kind of filter to the image, so some phone provides us features. With the help of that feature we can do changes in the temporary one. Means suppose we had done the changes in the original one, so it after the save process we will find a new copy of it, and there will be no change in original one, and that is a better option. Means any changes we can do. Sometimes the changes can be good, sometimes it can be worst. So if you are checking it and it is creating a new copy there, suppose there is a photograph there and you want to do some changes there, then it will look good or not. Okay, so this is the original one. Yeah, so if you have done the changes and after save process you will find a copy of it. Suppose you have applied black and white filter there. It means the photo will look black and white. Now after getting it you will observe it will look good or not. So suppose it is not good, you can delete it. But if it is good, so you will keep it. Means once you delete it will not affect it. And if all the changes will occur on this original one, so you will not get the original copy. Suppose the changes are not good, you don't want to keep it, so these are not good features. So here symbol and instances we use, they are the base of it. Okay, they reduce the size of the movie. What is the next point about these? They reduce the size of the movie. The size of the movie also matters. If we can compress it, so this compression occurs with the help of symbols and instances. Okay, so what are the importance of symbol and instances? Symbol and instances are having few importance. So what are these? The first one is any object can be converted into symbol. What is the second one? The second one is a symbol is a reusable object in Flash. Okay. What is the third one? The third one is that when we create a symbol, so it stores in a library. Why? Because we can find it later on also. Once we create it, it do not get deleted. It saves in a library folder. And if we, what is the fourth importance of it? All the changes, color, we are changing tint, we are changing the shape, size, whatever changes we are applying to the symbol, they will occur in instance. Instance is the copy of the original symbol. Okay. And the last one is they reduce the size of the movie. What is their use? They reduce the size of the movie. Okay. Importance, first point. Any object can be converted into symbol. Second one, a symbol is a reusable object. Third one, symbol once created we save in library. Where we save? We save it in library. What is the fourth one? All the changes occur in copy of the will occur in copy of the original symbol. And what is the last one? The last one is that they, both we are considering, they reduce the size of the movie, size of flash movie. Okay, so these are the importance of symbol. Okay, now types of symbol. What is type of a symbol? Symbols are of three types. Types of symbol. Symbols are of three types. The first one is graphic symbol, second one is button symbol, third one is movie clip symbol. The types are three. Okay. First one is graphic symbol. Now, what is graphic symbol? Graphic, we know this word is familiar to us. We know graphic means it is related to image, means it is related to background. So graphically, the changes that we do with the help of graphic symbol means it is used to create background. What is the use of it? It is used to create background. It doesn't involve interactivity. Interactivity means क्या होता है? What activity we are doing? Suppose we are doing mouse click, we are pressing the key of the keyboard. It won't affect on the animation. They will not have any kind of effect in that. They are basically used to create backgrounds. Okay, its main use is related to the graphic, means background. This is the first symbol. What is second one? Second one is the button symbol. Button symbol. Here all the working depends on the button. The button that we are having, suppose save button is there, so all the activity that we will do by pressing the button, by placing our mouse pointer over there, okay, by not placing our mouse pointer there, the user how it responds, how he is responding to the button, means they are hitting it tightly or they are not touching it. So these all are the effects of the types of the button, the state of the type buttons. Okay, now button symbol, it is used to add interactivity in animation. Interactivity in animation, like mouse click, roll over, means when we are rolling our mouse there, okay, press, key press, if we are pressing the key there, so the changes that occurs when we will do these kind of activity are known as or are done by button symbols. Okay, now there are 4 states of button symbol. How many states are there of button symbol? There are 4 states of button symbol. And what are the uses of it? Actually there are 4, and these are, first one is up, second one is down, third one is over, fourth one is hit. How many states are there? States are 4. Okay, now what are the uses of these 4? First one is up, down, over, hit. Okay, so if our mouse is not over the button, okay, this is the button, this is my button of save. Okay, so if our mouse is not over the button, it is not there, so it is known as which state? Up state. Okay, now if the mouse is over the button, means if the mouse is over the button, so it is known as which state? It is known as over state. Okay, now if I clicked it, if I had clicked the save button, so the state that occurs is known as down one. Which is it? What is it? it? It is the down one. And what is the last one? The response of the user. Suppose the user is clicking the mouse button, so how he is responding to it? The response of the user is defined by which hit state. Hit state is used to define the response of the user. How he is clicking on it, how he is responding to the button. So there are 4 states of buttons: up, down, over, hit. If mouse is not over the button, it is known as up state. If mouse is over the button, it is known as over state. If the button is clicked, so it is known as down state. And if the hit state shows the user response. Okay, so I am writing it. If the mouse is not over the button, so it is known as up state. Down, if the button clicked, the button if we clicks, so it is known as down state. Now over state means if the mouse is over the button, means if the mouse is over the button, so the state is known as over state. Hit state, it is used to define the response of user. It is used to define the response of the user. Okay, so these are the 4 states. Next type is movie clip symbol. The third and the last type is movie clip symbol. Movie clip symbol. Okay, when we need to create a flash movie inside any other flash movie, so it is known as, this work is done by which symbol? Movie clip symbols. Here what we are doing? Here we are inserting one flash movie inside any other flash movie. Okay, they are non-restricted also, means it is used to create one flash movie inside another one, inside another flash movie. Okay, 3 types of symbols were there. First is graphic, second is button, and the third one is movie clip. Okay, now the next topic about this chapter is how to create the symbol. Okay, the next process is how to create symbol. How to create symbol. Okay, symbol we can create easily. Okay, the shortcut to create a new symbol is Ctrl plus F8. What is it? Ctrl plus F8. With the help of this shortcut command Ctrl plus F8, we are able to insert a symbol in the movie. Okay, now how can we insert the symbol with the help of the steps? So if we follow the steps, so at first we have to click on which tab? We need to click on insert tab there. Okay, as we click on insert tab, so it will show us a option there. What is that option? The option is known as new symbol. Okay, so when we will click on this new symbol, it will show us a box. New symbol box. Which box it will show? The new symbol. Create new symbol box it will show us. Here what we need to do? Here we have to define the name of the symbol. By default it appears symbol 1. By default what will appear there? By default it will appear symbol 1. Then you can change the name of it. Now if you have to select the type also. Type of the symbols we know very well. There are 3 types of the symbol. Okay, the first one is graphic, second is button, the third one is movie clip symbol. So here we have to select the symbols. 1, 2, 3. 3 symbols are there. We have to select one out of these 3. If we are not selecting, so what will appear there? If we are not selecting, it will show us movie clip. Which it will show us? It will show us a movie clip. So these are the 3 types of the symbols. Okay. Then we can click on OK. So we had created here a symbol. What we have done here? We had created a symbol here. The shortcut is Ctrl plus F8. And if we follow the procedure, so here we have to few steps. Insert the new symbol, then write the name of it and choose the type of it. Okay, which type of symbol we want to insert. Okay, now suppose this symbol we had created and we want to check is it right or is it there or not. So we have to check it in the library. So to check it in the library, we have to go to that option and we can use the Ctrl plus L to go to the library section. Okay, and easily we can check if it is there or not. Now, there is a point there that is known as reference point. What is it? Reference point. The reference point, it is also known as registration point. What is it? It is also known as registration point. Okay, reference point is also known as a registration point. And what is the use of it? It is actually center point. So you can write here, it is a center point. If we want to move the object anywhere on the screen, so we will use this reference point. Reference point is also known as the registration point. It is a center point and it is used to move the object on the screen. Object is here a symbol. Okay. Now next is how to convert object into symbol. Means how to convert object to symbol. We can easily convert object to symbol, but we have to follow some procedure there. Okay, suppose we had created a symbol prior. Now we are going to convert this object into a symbol. Okay, so what we will do here, at first we have to select the symbol. What we have to do? We have to select the symbol, or we have to select the object. We are converting it. So here we have to select the object. After the selection, we have to click on modify. Which tab we have to click there? Modify tab we have to click there. Now, which line or which option we have to select? We have to select convert object to symbol. Okay, now convert object to symbol. Box will appear here. It will ask the type. What they will ask to you? The type. The types are 3. You can choose anyone and then you have to click on OK. Okay. What is the procedure to convert an object into symbol? So here at first you have to select the object. Then you have to click on the modify option. Then you have to click convert object to symbol 1. And then at last you have to select the type of the symbol. Types are 3. What is it? The first one is graphic, the second one is button, the third one is movie clip. Okay, and the direct shortcut that you are going to use it, F8. F8 is used to convert object to symbol, and if you want to create a symbol, so the shortcut is Ctrl plus F8. They are related to each other. The shortcut to create a new symbol is Ctrl plus F8, and the shortcut to convert object into symbol is known as is done by F8. Okay. Now next is instance. What is it? Instance. I told you earlier also, instance is the copy of original symbol. What is instance? It is the copy of the original symbol. I am speaking also because when I write fast, so some It is ORIGINAL. Original. Okay. So the copy of the original symbol is known as instance. And how can we create the instance? So if we want to create instance, so we have to click on which symbol? At first we have click on which tab? We need to click on window tab. Okay. And here we will find, or we have to choose which option? Library option. Now the symbols are all there. So the symbol that we will choose means choose the symbol. Okay. Suppose we have chosen a symbol and drag it to the screen. And drag it to the screen. ड्रैग करना क्या होता है? माउस से क्लिक करना है और विदाउट रिलीजिंग माउस प्रेस दिस हियर. ठीक है, हमने यहाँ पर एक सिंबल चूज किया, click on it and drag it here on the screen. So in this way we can create instance. Very easy steps are there to create instance. Instance is the copy of original symbol. How to create instance? To create instance we have to click on window tab, then we have to click on library option there, then we will find number of symbols there, then we have to choose the symbol and we will drag it on the screen. Okay, so these topics we had studied today. You all will watch the video attentively and will do the homework according to the video. Okay, and everyone will leave a line space, everyone will use blue black pen. Okay, and I hope you all will respond accordingly. Okay, thank you.